Diba? There's coconut meat in here. It's so yummy. Do you want to have some? This time, guys, mga loves, hindi tayo magmumukbang. Ilalagay natin to sa ingredients na ating secret recipe na gagawin dito sa bahay. Okay? So, scrape lang natin to and then set aside. Siguro half lang nito. So, that's it. I think this is $3 na buko. Ang sarap siya. At least nakatikim ako. Kain po tayo. Bumili kami ng buko and then nainom na namin yung juice. So, yung gagawin ko dito is ilalagay ko siya sa isa sa mga Filipino delicacies natin. Okay? So, kukunin ko lang yung laman and then slice lang natin. Ano pa tawag nito? Butong sa Bisaya. So, ayan. Binili namin to juice siya. Tapos, meron siyang laman sa loob. Since naubos na namin inom yung juice, ito yung laman niya sa loob. So, butong or batang buko, tawag nito. So, scrape lang natin. Kasi, gagamitin ko tong laman na to para sa isa sa mga ating ingredients na Filipino delicacy. Ang hirap kasi makabili ng ano dito, yung coconut meat, yung bata. Wala ka masyadong mabilhan dito. Merong gata, pero nasa 80% lang siyang gata. Hindi siya pure na gata kasi may preservative na siya. Yan siya, oh. Malaman na din. And then, yung gagawin natin, ano yung nakuha ko. So, siguro pahaba. Ayan yan. Masarap to sa buko salad. Naman kasi ako madami ingredients, kaya yung kung ano meron lang tayo. Sa Pilipinas, libre lang to. Meron kaming kanin sa bahay, tapat ng bahay. Yellow coconut. Tsaka mababa lang siya. Ganyan lang siya. Slice mo lang siya into strips. Yan. Parang masyadong malaki yung pagkashiwa ko. Buko. Gahan ko pa naman to. Sa mga bangketa, nasa ano lang to? 30 pesos. 35 pesos ata.
Well, I think I'm gonna go get that bagel. Oh, wow.
Are you sure?
No?
Do you want to eat some of this coconut meat?
No, save it for later. Can you make that slice with it? With chopped cocoa and...
No, I'm gonna put it with my delicacy.
Okay.
Are you sure you want the table 100%?
Yeah,
It has dog bites around it.
You know, the Jarrow one was better. And I can clean them up and I can use the Jarrow slats to make picture frames and all sorts of things.
Okay.
You think it's good?
Yeah,
No.
maybe you can use them for your picture frames.
It's kind of like when we got that bed. Like, it's really good, I think.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want to come with me?
It's too hot now. Maybe we can come around 6 or 5.
I don't know. I'm not sleepy for some reason, so I might just go now.
Are you sure?
Oh, we still have chicken. I'm sort of full after eating that.
Kaya ako ng asawa ko na kukunin namin yung free table sa Verge. Kasi yun yung ginagawa namin dito. Yung mga tinatapon ng ibang tao. Yung mga magagandang furniture, nakuha namin tapos pinibenta namin. Sayang din. Cruise. What did you just... I'll just cut.
Did I walk in front of the camera? Sorry.
It's okay. I'll just show them because they're asking. This coconut is so yummy.
Oh, good.
Yeah. We should buy like this because... Oh, get the big one, ball, please. Just make me remember. Sarap. So good. The best.